This could be the cheapest time of the year to buy items at Home Depot, and you have less than a week before prices start going up again. It's not a slight increase. Some items are discounted by 40 to 50%, but after May 1st, they almost immediately go back up. And the noteworthy thing is that most people only realize this when they have already made the purchase late. In this video, I will get straight to the 15 must-buy items at Home Depot right now. From gardening tools, power tools, to extremely important items for home safety. If you are planning to buy anything for your home in the next few months, watching this entire video could help you save a significant amount. Let's get started. To help you understand why this period is so sensitive, here is an insight that not everyone notices. Home Depot has a very clear discount cycle almost every year. From the end of March to the end of April is the period when they launch a series of big deals often referred to as Spring Black Friday to promote seasonal items such as gardening, home improvement, and outdoor products. But right after that, as May begins, demand starts to surge because of summer, and at this point, prices usually return to normal levels or even increase. Interestingly, not all products are affected in the same way. There are some groups that drop very deeply and then rise quickly again, like planting soil and mulch. There are high-value groups like electrical tools that drop sharply in a short period. Then there are outdoor items and even those related to safety emergency preparedness things that many people often overlook. So in this video, I will categorize 15 items into groups to make it easier for you to follow along and choose exactly what you need. If you find this type of content useful, you can subscribe to the channel so you don't miss similar videos. And now let's start with the first group, the items that almost everyone should buy this season: gardening supplies. If there is a group of products that almost always sell out during this period, it is gardening supplies. And to be honest, this is something that gardeners, whether professional or amateur, buy in quite large quantities every year, not just a one-time purchase. First, we must mention the king of all soils, Miracle-Gro Garden Soil. Just look at the current price. It's only about 3 bags for $10. The price sounds incredibly cute, especially compared to the exorbitant prices in the middle of the season. Many people think simply dirt is dirt, no matter where it is. But trust me, if you've ever experienced the feeling of planting a tree, nurturing it like a child, yet it just stands still, neither growing nor dying from lack of nutrients, then you'll truly understand the value of good soil. With such a deep price drop, my sincere advice is to just grab a few bags and keep them for later. From growing vegetables and flowers to reviving wilted potted plants, you will definitely need it. Don't wait until the plants are crying for help before rushing to buy them at double the price. Next is an item that new gardeners in the neighborhood often overlook, but experts absolutely love: Scott's Earth Grow Mulch. Right now, there's a jaw-dropping deal: 5 bags for just $10. It turns out to be almost half off. This mulch bag is like a multifunctional moisturizer. First, it retains moisture in the soil, preventing plants from wilting under the scorching sun. Secondly, it blocks the growth of weeds, so you don't have to bend over and pull them out. And most importantly, it makes the garden look classy and stylish. Just by looking at it, you can tell the homeowner has invested and has knowledge, not just planting for the sake of it. The interesting part is that the price of mulch will almost certainly skyrocket as soon as the sale season ends, because everyone will be frantically tending to their gardens. Therefore, if you want your plants to thrive while keeping your wallet safe, this is the golden time to make a purchase. Finally, there are seedlings, especially popular ones like Bonnie plants. This item is extremely time sensitive. If you don't buy at this moment, just a few weeks later, you will have to face 2 scenarios: either pay a higher price or only find a few stunted trees with wilted leaves that no one wants to take. The seedlings at this stage are in their prime, not too young to easily die, but not too old to be stunted. And let's be a bit realistic in this time of skyrocketing prices. Just a few pots of herbs and a couple of small tomato plants on the balcony can save you a lot of money on supermarket trips over the weekend. Not to mention the feeling of going out early in the morning to pick a bunch of clean vegetables that you grew yourself. It's way more chill and classy than buying them at the market, right? All three of these items have one major thing in common. The price is at the year's lowest, but their usability is at its peak. This is not the kind of purchase to display for fun and then discard. These are things you will definitely use 100%. That's why seasoned gardeners never buy in small quantities. They just stock up once and have enough for the whole season. If you find these practical tips on having fun while saving money useful, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. I still have many more smart shopping tips to share with you. And now, after we have taken care of the essentials for food, clothing, and durable goods for the land and plants, let's move on to a group of products with much higher value. If you know how to choose the right time, the money you save might be enough to buy an entirely new garden. That is professional electric tools and garden equipment. If in the previous section we talked about soil trees, the kind of things that are solid and durable, then in this group we officially step into the realm of items with engines, batteries, and chargers. These are products with significantly higher value, and to put it bluntly, they hurt the wallet more. But precisely because it is expensive, the discount at this moment truly makes us brothers switch to consideration mode immediately. First, we must mention the wireless lawnmower warriors. Currently, big names like Ryobi and DeWalt are offering mind-blowing discounts, with some models reduced by 30 to 40%. You know, nowadays is the era of batteries. Forget about the scene of having to buy a can of gasoline, then yanking the starter cord until your shoulder aches, or dragging tangled electrical wires all over the garden. Battery-powered machines nowadays are lightweight, quiet, require minimal maintenance, and their power is no joke. But unfortunately, these models are very expensive during the off-season. I see many people waiting until midsummer when the grass grows up to their knees to frantically go buy one. At that time, sorry to say, you will definitely have to pay an extra few dozen, even $100 for the same machine that you could have bought right now. Buying early is not only smart, but also to protect your back. Accompanying the lawnmower, there is an indispensable good companion, the grass trimmer, also known as a string trimmer. A large lawnmower is indeed impressive, but when it comes to corners, fence edges, or flower bed borders, it's at a loss. The great thing about this sale is that the machine plus battery combos are extremely affordable. If you buy each item separately, you'll realize you're overpaying significantly. But if you grab the whole combo, now you'll not only have all the tools you need, but also save a considerable amount. For those who are starting their journey to master the garden, I honestly say, don't buy individually, wait for the combo to purchase. Both synchronized using the same battery and also gaining a reputation as a savvy shopper. There's an item that many people often click their tongues at. Forget it. Sweeping by hand is better for your health, and that is the leaf blower. But trust me, once you hold this machine in your hands and blow away the pile of fallen leaves in just 2 minutes, you'll wonder, why did I waste years of my life using a broom? Especially after garden cleanups or during the leaf falling season, this machine is an incredible lifesaver. Currently, leaf blowers are also in the deep discount zone. After May, when gardening demand skyrockets, this pleasant price will disappear as quickly as it blows away your regrets. And finally, the item that I consider the most worth the money in the entire list, the pressure washer. To be honest with you guys, holding this nozzle and spraying it on long-standing stains gives an indescribably satisfying feeling. You can use it to wash your car, saving money on going to the shop, clean the tiled yard, wash the walls, or even refresh the old wooden table and chairs in the yard. Some models are currently discounted by nearly 50%. This is a dream discount that doesn't come around often. I know many people hesitate, and then when the hot summer comes, wanting to take out the washing machine to cool off, the price has already skyrocketed. Don't let yourself fall into the group of people who regret buying late. What is the common point of this group of electronic toys that is high value, frequent use, and a price cycle as clear as day? Buying at the right time is enriching yourself. If you find these in-depth analyses help you feel more confident when reaching for your wallet, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will have many more posts dissecting other product categories so we can shop smarter together. And now, after we've taken care of the heavy machinery, let's move on to a more chill group, lighter, but with a huge impact on our daily quality of life, outdoor gear, and outdoor relaxation spaces. After taking care of the essentials, it's time to talk about items not just for use, but also for enjoyment. And in fact, this is the group that makes many people feel the most distinctly the upgrade in their lives. The first name in this group is patio furniture. Imagine a summer afternoon not too hot sitting outside with a cool drink or simply having dinner with family in an open space. Just a suitable set of patio furniture can completely change the feeling. Currently, patio sets are at quite good prices because this is the period when stores want to clear their inventory before demand surges. And usually after May, when everyone starts shopping for summer, the prices won't be as pleasant anymore. Next is the BBQ grill, a dish almost synonymous with summer in many families. Although there will indeed be deeper discounts at the end of the season at this moment, you are still getting a better price compared to when the peak season begins. And more importantly, if you buy early, you can use it all season. A weekend, a few simple grilled dishes, friends, or family gathering. Actually, it doesn't need to be too elaborate, but it feels really worth it. Another item that many people often overlook is pavers. It may not sound very lifestyle, but in reality, this is what lays the foundation for your entire outdoor space. Just add a few pots of plants or a set of tables and chairs and you have a completely new area to use. And like other building materials, the price of pavers is usually more stable in the early season before the demand for home renovations increases. The great thing about this group is you are not just buying an item, you are buying an experience, a space to relax, to connect, to enjoy the small moments of the day. And if you buy at the right time, you can save costs and have more time to use it. If you like content that not only focuses on price, but also on how to handle unexpected situations. This is the group that many people often overlook until something happens. And at that point, there really aren't many options left. The items in this section are not the kind you buy for everyday use, but rather to ensure that when unexpected situations arise, storms, power outages, or simply security issues, you are prepared. Let's start with a door reinforcement kit. The cost is only a few $dozen, but the effectiveness is very clear. A regular door can be broken quite quickly if it is not properly reinforced, but just by adding a reinforcement kit, the sturdiness increases significantly. This is a small upgrade, but it makes a big difference in safety, especially if you live in an area with harsh weather or need to enhance security. Next is weather stripping. It may sound simple, but this is one of the most effective ways to retain heat, reduce energy loss, and protect the house from wind and rain. On bad weather days, having tighter windows and doors can make a very noticeable difference. And with a cost of only about $10 to $20, this is almost one of the most worthwhile upgrades you can make right away. Another item that I think almost every household should have is a ladder, especially models like Gorilla ladders. Not only for repairs or reaching high places, but in emergency situations, a sturdy ladder can definitely become an extremely useful tool. And the important thing is this is not something you should buy just for the sake of having it. A stable ladder with good load capacity will be much safer for long-term use. Then there's the dehumidifier. Sounds like it might not be directly related to emergencies, but in reality it's very important, especially in damp areas like basements or during prolonged rainy seasons. High humidity not only causes discomfort but also affects health, furniture, and even the structure of the house. A good dehumidifier helps you better control your living environment, reducing long-term risks. And finally, perhaps the most important, smoke detectors, CO detectors, and emergency radios. These are things you hope you will never have to use, but if needed, they can save lives. Smoke and CO detectors help you detect dangers early that the naked eye cannot see. As for emergency radios, especially those with a hand crank or solar power, they will help you stay updated when there is a power outage or loss of internet connection. These things are not expensive, but their value cannot be measured in money. The common point of all these items is the cost is not too high, but the impact is very significant. And more importantly, you can't buy it after the situation has occurred. This is why many people choose to prepare early, not because they are overly cautious, but because they want to ensure their families are always safe. If you find this type of content useful, not only saving money but also helping you prepare better for life, then you might consider subscribing to the channel. And now I will quickly summarize the 15 items we just went through so you can easily remember them and choose the ones that suit you best. This list has up to 15 items, but if I had to quickly choose 3 to buy, without thinking, I would say planting soil and mulch. Currently the cheapest of the season, definitely useful. Pressure washer, deep discount, multifunctional smoke and CO detectors directly related to safety should not be delayed. The common point is very clear. Everything is currently at a good price drop, but after May 1st, it's highly likely that these prices will no longer be available. And importantly, this is not just for fun, but rather things that you will definitely need. If you find this video helps you save time and money, you might consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss similar content. And before we wrap up, I have a small tip to help you hunt for Home Depot deals more effectively. This part is something many people don't know. Before you turn off the video, let me quickly share a few insider tips, things that not everyone notices but can help you hunt for deals at Home Depot much more effectively. First, if you haven't used the Home Depot app, you should install it. It's not just for advertising, but because the app often has hidden deals or updates earlier than in-store. Sometimes the same product is available on the app at a slightly better price, or there are additional promotions that you won't find on the shelves. Secondly, the clearance section in the store. Many people just look for the item they need and leave, but actually the clearance section at the end of the aisle or the corner of the store is where the most surprising deals are. Especially at the end of the spring sales, they often clear out inventory at very good prices, sometimes even cheaper than online. Another thing is about timing. If you pay attention, Home Depot often changes prices and updates deals at the beginning of the week or just before the weekend. So if you're keeping an eye on a specific item, try checking the price at those times. You'll have a better chance of getting a deal. And finally, one very simple thing that many people still overlook: if you see a good price and you know you'll use it, then don't wait. Because after May 1st, it is highly likely that these prices will no longer be available, especially for seasonal items. If you find these kinds of shares useful, not just product lists, but also smarter buying tips, then you might consider subscribing to the channel. I will continue to share more practical experiences like this. And if you want in the next video, I can delve deeper into how to hunt for deals or what items are worth buying each season. Now, thank you for watching this far. So I've gone through all 15 must-buy items at Home Depot before May 1st, from very basic things like potting soil and mulch to high-value equipment and even items directly related to home safety. The common point is very clear. These are all products with high practical use, and more importantly, they are at the right price drop point of the year. If you choose the right time, you not only save money, but also avoid the feeling of wishing you had bought it earlier. I'm also quite curious, if you're watching this among those 15 items, which one would you prioritize buying first? Or have you bought any of them before and have any real experiences worth sharing? Just leave a comment below. I will read all of them and might compile them in future videos. If you find this video helpful, like helping you make decisions faster and shop smarter, then you might consider subscribing to the channel. I will continue to create similar content focusing on practical and easy to apply things that help you save both time and money. And a small note, all information in this video is compiled based on current promotions and prices. Prices, stock, availability, or offers may vary depending on the time and location. The video is for reference only, not financial advice or mandatory shopping recommendations. You should consider your actual needs before making a decision. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and see you in the next video.